Hey, hi students of Mrs. Ziegler's Read 180 class. In 7th grade on Team Excalibur. I'm so excited to get to meet you. I just wanted to share with you this slide just to briefly go over the course so that you have a little bit of an idea of what to expect because I'll be meeting in person with students the first week, but students that are virtual I won't actually see. So I wanted to share this with you too so that you felt a part of us. So taking a look at this, welcome to Reading/Language Arts or Read 180 with Mrs. Ziegler, who is myself. If you had the other Mrs. Ziegler in 6th grade, we are not related, but yes, we are friends. So super duper excited though to be your teacher this year and to have you on our Team Excalibur. Can't wait. So here's a little bit about me. There we go. My name is Mrs. Ziegler, as I previously said. This is my 13th year of teaching. So excited to be on Team Excalibur. My Ohana, or my family, is my husband Joshua and our son named Jackson, who is 6 years old, and he's just starting his first year of kindergarten. So exciting. Really important stuff for you to know here. My favorite foods are soft pretzels and popcorn. My favorite color is purple. My favorite flavor of ice cream is chocolate chip. 3 things that I love are my family, Ocean City, New Jersey, and reading. Okay. I also put on here my website, which I'll link for you to see as well, but you will be able to click on that and see my contact information and some additional things if you want to learn a little bit more about me. So students that are in person, they're going to tell me 3 things that they love. So maybe if you think of it, you could shoot me an email and say, hey, Mrs. Ziegler, here's 3 things that I love. That would be awesome to share. If not, no big deal. So a little bit about our class Read 180 this year. So in the past, we used Read 180 and it was called Next Generation. So we've had a little bit of a refresh here. It's a newer version of Read 180 called Read 180 Universal. We will in 7th grade complete 2 workshops. We'll focus mainly on our reading skills with a little bit of writing mixed in there as well. We will work in combination of whole group, small group, independent reading, and software, and we'll work on progress monitoring using FastBridge. So sometimes we'll work on some of that FastBridge testing in there just to kind of test our comprehension skills and, maybe our fluency skills just to kind of make sure that we are in fact making progress and moving right along. So I have included on here the link to getting into Read 180 and using your login information. So if you're not quite sure what that is, stay tuned for 2 slides from now. I'm going to give you a little bit more information and hopefully that will make more sense to you. Okay. So in addition, not a bad idea for you to make sure that you are able to log into Schoology. Hopefully at this point you've been able to because that's how you're accessing this video and seeing it. But you'll use Schoology to access all of your courses, to find links for your Zoom meetings for your classes, to find and complete assignments and assessments, and also to contact your teachers. You can also email teachers. There's lots of different ways that you can contact us, but this kind of adds another level of that where you're able to directly send us an email through this, which I think is great. So if you're curious about, hey, Mrs. Ziegler, I don't remember how to log into Read 180 or I don't remember how to log into FastBridge, here's a slide that's really going to help you that I already have provided for you in Schoology in our course as well as in the Period 9 study support / it's also called Case Manager. You'll notice that it's already there as well. So important website links, iReady. When you use iReady for your math class, you may remember this from last year, but you always utilize it using this C or the Clever extension. So that's how you're going to get into it and you're going to access that. Sometimes you have to enter your Google login information for the first time because that's what it's directly linked to. That information about the username and password is over here for you to use. FastBridge, I have everything directly linked here. So if you clicked on that, it would take you directly to FastBridge. You'd enter your username and password as noted over here. Read 180, same thing. The link is also here as well as 2 slides before this. And then the username and password are also here for you. And then the last thing that I have here are the LMMS shortcuts. So this actually takes you to, and I'm going to show you so that you see it, but this takes you to this page and perhaps you've already used this before, but this actually has a ton of programs that you will use or could use. Read 180, you'll notice it still says Next Generation, but it's still the same Read 180 program. So you can also use the login there as well. So super exciting with that. Also, I want to show you off to the side here. you'll notice, whoops, I am so sorry, but you'll notice here it says, let's talk about it. So I have my Zoom meeting for ninth period directly linked here. So if you needed to come into ninth period because you have questions, you need help with an assignment, something like that, you'd be able to click on that and enter the Zoom meeting during ninth period. Additionally, if you click on this ninth period Team Excalibur for help, and as you can see, I am struggling. And it was because my picture was there, but you'll notice it will open this page up. This is super exciting, okay? Mrs. Wolf created this, our communications teacher on the team. So awesome. But anyway, all of your teachers in one place as a Bitmoji. But you'll notice that there's links here for each of us on the team. If you take a look at mine, you'll notice there's my Zoom meeting links here, as well as the availability to email myself there. So if you needed help ninth period with something and you weren't sure, what to do, but it was something for social studies, you'd be able to click on Mr. Toto and directly go to his email or the Zoom link for ninth period help, which is just super cool that it's all in one place, okay? So it's yet another way to get in touch with us. So how can I get even more help? Help, I'm drowning, Mrs. Ziegler. I don't know what to do. So besides getting help from myself or your other teachers, the instructional assistants are also available for help as well. So they will have more information in the coming weeks of how you'll be able to reach out to them for help, especially if you're like in social studies and you're working on something and Mr. Toto is working with kids, but maybe you want to contact one of them, they'd be able to help you as well. So every day, ninth period, you have to check in with your ninth period homeroom teacher. But then my suggestion is come on and Zoom with me. So come into Zoom, check in. Hey, Mrs. Ziegler, I'm doing really good on this math homework, or I have no idea what I'm doing with this math. Please help me. And I'll be available to help you, okay? Also, feel free to email me. That's usually the best way for families, parents, everybody to contact me, just because that's a little bit easier for me to keep track of as I'm in and out of the room all day. And then even when I'm at home, sometimes that email is just the easiest way to contact me and let me know what's up. I won't always be able to answer immediately because I'll be helping my little one with things that he needs, but I certainly will check it every now and again just to kind of check in and see what it is that you need, okay? So let's make it an exceptional year, guys. High five. I am so, or it should be like air high five here. Woohoo! Anyway, I'm super duper excited this year to be your teacher. Cannot wait to see all of your smiling faces in our Zoom meetings on a regular basis. And, I know there's a lot of newness, a lot of change this year, but we're going to get through it together and it's going to be okay. So please let me know whatever you need. I am here for you and I can't wait to get started. Okay, take care.